What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I have my asparagus here. I got a brand new pair of pruners. I'm going to use these to cut these asparagus ferns back, and then I'm going to go ahead and mulch this bed. So hopefully kind of put it to bed for winter, and then we'll see how it looks in the spring. So come along, check this out, and I'll show you what I'm doing. So one of the first things I did is I waited until everything turned yellow, because actually when the plant's still green, it's actually sending energy down to the roots. You don't want to actually clip right at the soil level, about an inch or so above. And I'm removing this from the area because there can actually be beetles that eat the asparagus that overwinter inside these shoots. Something else that's pretty neat. Get rid of this one. Hopefully you guys can see the little red berries. That's where the seeds are. I'll pull out a few and see. Maybe I could actually start some from seed, I'm not sure. So these are the asparagus ferns that had the seed clusters on them. So I'm going to check them out. And then there's the bed. It's all empty. I have my 2x4 rolled galvanized steel covering it so the squirrels can't dig in there. And then there's all the fern. So I'm going to go get a little compost. I'm going to add a little compost to each one of the asparagus plants. There's 10 in this bed, and then I'm going to go ahead and cover it with the pine shavings. The pine needles will break down, and they shouldn't do anything for causing this to be more acidic. I just had my soil sample test done, and when it came back in, everything was at a 7 pH, which is neutral, which is good. So as I said, that's just more organic matter. It's going to all break down. This here is going to hopefully help to insulate the roots a little bit. Okay. So hey, thanks for coming along, checking out how I winterized my asparagus bed. I'll go ahead. I'll be sure to do an update in the spring as the asparagus starts to grow. Let me know down in the comments below if you have asparagus, and if you go ahead and just leave the ferns up and then cut them in the spring, or if you clean them off in the fall or winter time after they've died back. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.